Let's talk about windows, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things. Windows, please. All right, I know I can't sing. Sorry about that. I just want to get your attention because today I want to talk to you about windows, obviously, and I want to talk to you about why you may want to think twice before investing in replacement windows. First, let's discuss the difference between replacement and new construction windows. The panes and frame of the windows are the same, but replacement windows are meant to slide inside the frame of your old windows, while new construction windows are meant to be installed in the rough opening of the house framing and typically has a nailer fin that's secured to the exterior sheathing and underneath the window trim. At some point during your home ownership, I'm sure that you've run into a salesman from a replacement window company. They'll give you all the stats about how replacement windows are more energy efficient, they're easier to maintain, they may operate a lot better. And I'll tell you that's true, but you actually have several options when it comes to upgrading your older windows. Did you know that your old windows can be almost as energy efficient as new construction windows and replacement windows if you just simply have good storm windows installed? These are the old windows in our house. They're original from the 1970s. The great thing about old windows is that if something goes wrong with the window, it's usually just the window pane. They're easy to replace just the individual panes that get broken or cracked. If the glazing is missing or cracked on your old windows, it's not a big deal. Glazing was meant to be replaced. Personally, I like the look of the old windows that have the true divided light, the grills, as opposed to the flat grills. Your second option is replacement windows. This is the most popular with homeowners because it's the least disruptive to your walls and trim, and it's the quickest fix to windows that have deteriorated or have a broken seal. Replacement windows are ordered to fit exactly inside the window frame. When it's time to install them, the old sashes are removed and the replacement window is secured into the old frame. What you don't realize is that with replacement windows, a lot of times you're going to lose out on some natural light in your house. And this may not be a big deal to you unless you already have skinny windows or a very dark interior. You'll notice that replacement windows actually come into the window frame more, and so it's a little bit chunkier and you're actually losing inches of natural light in your home when you use replacement windows. So let me show you an example. I'm going to show you two houses. You tell me whether you can tell the difference between the original windows and the replacement windows. The two houses I'm showing you were built the exact same year, but one of them has replacement windows and one of them has the original windows. Let me know in the comments which house you think has replacement windows. Your third option for replacing deteriorating windows is new construction windows, and you don't have to have a new build house to do it. Did you know that you can replace your old windows with new construction windows on an old home? It requires a little bit more work because you have to take off the trim inside and outside of the house to put in a new construction window, but I think the results are worth it, and let me show you why. We recently replaced the windows over our garage, so those are new construction windows, but the ones on the house are still the original. Hopefully you're finding it very hard to tell the old versus the new. When installing new construction windows, better attention will be paid to making sure the window is flashed properly, keeping out wind and rain. Also, new construction windows should be insulated around the frame using an expanding foam specifically for windows and doors. Sometimes the drafts you feel are coming from around the window frame and not necessarily solely from the glass. The downside is that you're limited to specific sizes for new construction windows, which means that you may have to reframe your opening in order to fit the new construction window. I completely understand if you want to have replacement windows installed inside your old window frames. It's definitely less hassle and less mess. Personally, I chose to replace a few windows in our house with new construction windows because I don't mind a little work in exchange for beautiful new windows that look more like the original windows and that let in the maximum amount of natural light. There is a fourth option that you may want to look into: sash replacements. Recently, I watched my neighbor replace his window sashes and there was zero damage done to the walls or casing. And the sashes still let in the same amount of light unless you choose a style with less grills, and in that case, you actually might have more light inside your home. The downside, like replacement windows, you aren't able to check for insulation in the rough opening behind the window molding. However, I like this option because you can order them to fit into your existing window frames. I hope this video helped you become more educated about your options when you're thinking about replacing your old windows. Remember, if they are single pane windows, you might be able to repair them and save money with storm windows versus buying new windows. If you do decide to go with replacement windows, make sure you understand the glazing or actual glass size of the new windows will be less than your existing windows. You may want to take a look at new construction windows, which will give you the same energy efficiency, if not more, than replacement windows. But if you need new siding anyways, I definitely would put in new construction windows. Finally, do some research into sash replacements to see if it's a project you might want to take on, or look for a contractor who has experience replacing sashes. In the meantime, feel free to hit me up with any questions you have in the comments. Also, be on the lookout for a new video showing how I added a window to this exterior wall where there wasn't one before. And a big thank you to PlaidGem for providing me with the new windows installed in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl. What can you do? Why do I like old windows? I love old windows. Why do I like them? Oh,